everyone. I am Carlos Santiago.
Wow. I'm Shelby Rollins.
She's shy. Shelby. And we are from Vocal Lab.
Collective. All right, Carlos. I'm pretty excited about this.
Are you? You know who's not excited? Jason. He couldn't be with us today. He is recovering from a triple colonoscopy.
Oh my God.
And so send him
thoughts and prayers.
Yeah. One like equals one prayer. So be sure to hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button into the channel. Bump. Make sure you make your way over to the Patreon for extra beautiful things. Hey, y'all don't know this, but we do an extended cut of all of these reactions on Patreon, and then we do a smaller version that you guys get to watch for free. So if you want to go ahead and support the channel, go on over to Patreon. If not, if you want to keep watching it for free, you can watch it here. But please be sure to subscribe, because there are a ton of you, and we watch the stats.
We do.
A ton of you who watch this content that do not subscribe. So please go ahead and subscribe. But this video is really, really special. And why is that, Shelby?
It is because it features our very own Vocal Lab founder, Jason Catron.
Yes.
And he is singing with someone who he has admired for a long time and reacted to
and
as
now
well.
we get to say that it's a channel friend.
Oh my gosh.
A channel friend. Wow.
The suspense. Tell him what it is.
It's Gigi De Lana. So,
tell us the story. How did this happen?
Okay, so obviously, we started reacting to Gigi videos a while ago, and the channel became really huge fans of her voice, just her presence, just who she is as a human being, and her story. And then recently, Jason had the opportunity to go perform with her at the Saban Theater in Los Angeles, and you all get to see this wonderful performance.
So we get to react to Jason and Gigi.
Jason and Gigi.
Which is why Jason's not here reacting to himself.
Too Gigi, too furious.
What is this? Merch. Love it. Look at that.
Rated G for Gigi.
I like it.
So
Rated Gigi.
Yeah.
You're covering up your microphone with that t-shirt.
Ooh,
I'm gonna wear this while we.
Note to self that I actually did catch it when you threw it at me. So.
All access.
From behind. So I'm just gonna wear this here.
Okay.
Here.
I'm ready.
All right, you ready? You ready? Do you want to do that?
I'll do it.
Right,
and this is Fly Me to the Moon, right?
Yeah.
Here he comes.
There it is. Psych.
So we give the man a microphone.
Let's give it up for Jason. Come on, guys.
Little Fly Me to the Moon, shall we?
Let's go.
We have some Creamer lovers out there, some Frank Sinatra fans. I've heard your version. Her version of Fly Me to the Moon is like unbelievable.
Oh, thank you.
So, yeah.
She's so cute.
Oh.
And they did not rehearse this. This was like
No rehearsal.
Yeah.
On the fly.
Just on the fly.
On the Fly Me to the Moon.
Nice. Jason, you look so tan. Look at those moves. He's dancing.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he's kneeling down. What a versatile artist. To sing the stuff she normally does and then to be able to put in some of that big band jazz.
Nice.
Buttery.
All I long for. Gigi, guess you are. All I worship and adore. Please be true.
I feel like all the audience members need a cocktail right now.
Mm-hmm.
It just has that vibe. Oh, I love this. This is so much fun. It's funny that this is totally unrehearsed because it seems very natural.
Yep.
Not like, oh no, we didn't rehearse who's singing verse 2. It seems like just improv style, which is, I think, the heart of good jazz music, you know? Just improvising. And really great musicians do this well.
Yeah, her band's unbelievable.
Yep. Ooh, hot dang. You better play. Now I wonder if Gigi does this song in all of her shows when she's touring.
Probably. She
But
does.
on this one, she had Jason join her. Which I, for one, love a good cameo in a show. Ooh, man, lots of solos.
Yes. Which, you know, like in jazz music, you know, obviously it's more than fours, but usually there's a phrase called trading fours where it's pretty much this. You trade like 4 bars of something to do a solo. There's a more extended version of that. So obviously she's
Like
bringing
12.
that jazz element into the pop arrangement of trading solos. And so we'll see
Yep.
if the drums get something too.
Yep,
There it
he
is.
goes. Here comes the drummer. Oh, he lost his stick. Look, Jason just gave it back.
Hey!
He's also a stagehand. Not just a pretty face with a pretty voice.
Let's go.
I hear you're mixed, Jason. So cute. Look at y'all. You're so cute together. Aw, charming. So charming.
I love that.
Aw, we're so proud of you.
Thank you, Gigi De Lana, everyone, and the Gigi vibes. Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Gosh, if Jason
So
wasn't
fun.
recovering from his triple colonoscopy, I would tell him
Such a
how
shame.
proud I am of him. And his incarnation of some of his favorite singers. Obviously, you've got Frank Sinatra right there, one of the GOATs. You've got also Tony Bennett, one of his other favorites. And I believe also Dean Martin. And so you can kind of see in the way that he was singing, right? Because this is a bit of a weird key for a dude. You know, it sits perfectly in her range, and so he kind of had to navigate. So we got to see some and hear some of those rich baritone notes, and then also within this exactly the stylistic interpretation within the jazz, that you just kind of go all over the
Yeah.
place.
I'd like to tell a story. Can I tell a story?
Yes.
About Jason?
The harp.
Oh, that was nice. So, to your point about this not being in the easiest key for a tenor, And so you hear the lower parts of his range, and then towards the end, as he's up there, and he's basically jumping the octave so he can be like, in other words, like way up high. And he does it really, really well because he's up in his mix and he's very connected, right? He has a really smooth bridge.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the story.
It's got 99 problems, but a bridge ain't one.
Ooh. One day, when Jason and I were young whippersnappers, singing and coaching together on Music Row.
Even younger
like,
whippersnappers.
I mean, this was, 14
Like
years
10,
ago. Okay,
10,
this is a very long time ago.
11-year-olds.
I think it was. Yeah. So we were, yes, we're that young. 14 years ago, we were 11. Anyway, I'm minding my own business in my studio, just, probably eating lunch or I don't know what I was doing. Jason comes meandering down to my studio and he's like, come in. Here comes Jason. He goes, Shelby, I'm filming some stuff for the YouTube channel, a different YouTube channel. And I'm trying to teach people different ways to help diagnose a vocal break and fix it. And I really can't make my voice break, and I was wondering if you could show me how. And I looked at him and I said, get out. Get out of my studio. And he was like,
He's like, no, seriously, watch. I
that?
can't do it.
He literally couldn't.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I just can't do it.
La-di-da. Anyway, so here's evidence of Jason's amazing transition break, bridge, passaggio here live with Gigi. So proud of you.
Years later. Yeah. And,
No, truly, it was really good.
I mean, and obviously, like, Gigi, just unbelievable.
Yes,
you
we
know?
haven't talked enough about Gigi yet. Gigi, that was awesome.
Gigi Willikers. It's just unbelievable. Stamina. That's the name of the game for her.
And that's very difficult from a vocal delivery standpoint. Your vocal experience from night to night is so different. You've got to be so in tune with your mind to body connection with your voice that you know what good coordination feels like physically, so that you're not reliant upon like just what it sounds like in your ears and all those different things that can really play a role in making the experience different and contrasting from night to night. And that's hard. Singers got to have massive control over their instrument to be able to handle that well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'd be interested to see what her schedule is like and how she kind of plans these gigs, and if there's any recovery time, if she has a day in between gigs, because, you can be, let's say that you're just clenching your fist lightly, right? And, you're not going to punch anyone, or you might want to, but don't, But you're clenching your fist lightly. If you just keep holding your fist for a few hours, you're going to cramp eventually.
Yeah.
So the amount of pressure that you add, even if it's light pressure over a prolonged period of time, is going to cause wear and fatigue in your body. And it's the same with the voice. And so it doesn't matter if you're singing perfectly night after night after night. You have to plan some rest in between those things. And so it seems like she's doing an amazing job at it. And so anyway, Jason should have patched
the recovery room.
From the he's zooming in from the recovery room, and he's got triple patches for his triple colonoscopy.
I can't. I can't. Oh.
Oh no, he flatlined.
Uh-oh.
Good thing I work at the hospital because I'm staff. So.
I'm so excited that we got to react to this song.
Yes, thank you, Gigi, so much. And hey, I hope and I pray and we long for Vocal Lab. Hey, come be here. Join us at some point. Jason said, I want to sing with you, and you sang with him. So if
maybe
it ever
if
works
we
out,
nice, we can say, would you come react with us to
Please.
your favorite singer?
Yes. And we'll get to talk to you and hang out with you a little bit. We'd love for you to come and join the channel. And I think it'd be a real treat for everyone who watches.
Oh my gosh, they'd freak out.
Yeah,
They'd completely freak out.
This was awesome. Don't forget to subscribe, follow the channel, go ahead and check out the Patreon. Up until next time, I am Carlos Santiago.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab.
Collective.